So if you've been watching this channel, you know that I have been almost obsessive over good sounding earbuds. I commute to work, so a good sounding earbud is really important. But at the same time, I've been looking for something that gives me the ability to have really good sound with also some ambient audio so that I don't miss important announcements or traffic or things like that. So I have sacrificed a little bit with my choice because obviously budget is always an option. And I found the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2, which is right here. Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2. These earbuds, diamond coated drivers. They've got an IP rating. 4 mics. Call quality's excellent. And the sound is like on and on about these Liberty Air 2 until now, because these, you can get these for $99 brand new. Refurbished, right? Factory refurbished, you can get them for $79. Just want to say that because I got a deal on eBay. I'll put a link in the description. I don't know how long it's going to be available, but I was able to pick up the Jabra 75T, Jabra 75T active. These headphones are unbelievable. They're unbelievable. These are the best. These are earbuds, and I'm saying headphones, right? They are the dollar for dollar, like right now. They are absolutely 100% the best deal that you could possibly get without compromise. The only thing that they're missing is active noise canceling, and I honestly don't know why they don't have it, because they have the 4 mics for ambient sound. The ambient sound pickup is unbelievably awesome, and then the sound that these earbuds put out is absolutely fantastic. It's immersive. Good tone at every level, low, mids, and highs. And then there's more room for customization, right? It's amazing how they're able to pack so many features and such a good sound profile into such a small package. We're raving over the Microsoft headphone Surface headphones 2. As like the best sounding, is unbelievable. Cause then they also have the active noise canceling. These don't, but I imagine that if they did, I would tell everyone, just don't buy any more headphones. Buy a pair of the Jabra 75Ts and that's it. You're done. You don't need anything else. They don't have active noise canceling. They have passive noise canceling, which means, the silicone, earbud things. And they work good, especially when you have them in ambient mode, where you have the sound. And like I use these with the kids, where I can kind of listen to stuff, but also be able to pay attention to them. I just cannot speak highly enough about this, which brings me to the next point. So we paid $99 for this set of these Jabra 75T actives. We got them refurbished direct from Jabra. So what didn't we get? We didn't get a box. They came in a plastic. Do I even have it here? They came in a plastic bag. I don't even know if yeah. So they come in a plastic bag like this. So you get your ear surrounds, you get a USB Type-C cable, you get your instructions and your warranty card, right? So you get a full warranty from Jabra for the product, regardless of whether or not they're refurbished. I also will link to the brand new ones, which are $129. So they lowered the price. The Anker Liberty Air 2, Soundcore Liberty Air 2, they have refurbished as well. It's $79, and then the new ones are $99. So really, it's the premium is $20. And what you're getting, aside from the sound, I already know the Jabra sound better. They sound the best. A close second is the Liberty Air 2s, but the Jabra sound the best. And the Jabras also have ambient sound. The Liberty Air 2s do not. So right now, I am highly recommending the Jabra 75T. I see no reason not to buy these refurbished, but if you can't catch the deal for 99 bucks, you can buy them for 129. I'll put the links in the descriptions. You will not be, there's no way that you're not going to be satisfied with this product. With the sound, the call quality is unbelievable. You do not have to stress your voice to make sure it's just what a fantastic product. And for me, you know, I'm on a budget. I got a family. You know, most people are on budgets. I'm not sponsored in any way. Nobody's sending me this stuff. So when I review it, I'm buying a product that I want to use. I'm looking to solve a problem. And the Jabra Elite 75T Active is I think it's the 75T Elite is actually what they're called. What do I do with this? It is the Jabra Elite 75T. Yeah. 65T as the active ones. So Jabra Elite 75T, this is what you want to buy. You don't, if active noise canceling is not a big deal, this is what you want. It's unbelievable. I can't stress it enough that what an unbelievable product this is. You will not be, there's no way you're not going to be satisfied when you use these. They both have an IP rating too. So you don't have to worry about, you know, water, working out, things like that. They're very comfortable, more comfortable than the Liberty Air 2s. And I have raved about how comfortable these things are in your ear, and they're more comfortable than that. So this is the new champ as far as I'm concerned. Best bang for your buck as far as your dollar, your hard-earned cash is concerned. Definitely Jabra Elite 75T. So let me know in the comments what you think. Do you have them? Have you used them? What are your thoughts? All right. Thanks for tuning in. Like I said, this was a short video. I want you guys to catch the deal if you can. If not, well, at least you know what to look out for. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.